Hello world, my name is Keon, and when we last left off, I was struggling with programming. But all that's about to change, you know why? Because I copy and pasted everything. So, I went back to the camera page, let me put this to the side, the camera page on UDN, and I wanted to do my own custom camera. They show you how to do a camera from scratch. So I copied and pasted all this, and I made sure, well, I think I made sure everything was right. Uh, Seriously hoping that all of this works because even though it's just copy and pasting, it's a start. Like I I feel like it'll be easier to study this from scratch. And if all that fails, I'm just gonna go back to my book, and this game won't be good programming wise, which is fair because I'm not great at programming yet. I'm good at the basics. But this Unreal script is a totally different beast. They said that if you knew some C++ and Java, you'd be all right. I know I'm okay with Java. I'm not extremely familiar with C++. I need to get into that, but some things aren't making sense to me, like properties and these config files. These are a doozy. But anyway, so let's open up the game. Hold on, let's first compile to show you that everything's been copied perfectly. Okay, okay, uh, okay. That's fine. I'll just close you. Close the both of you. All right. Yep, zero warnings. Took 0.02 seconds. Freakishly fast. And let's see. I'm confused. Hold on. Top down module. That's a weird. Idiot. What? Whoa. Camera module top down. Okay. Does it really say that? Simulated function at line 29. Oh, that does say that. So weird. All right. So let's start this baby up, and I'm just going to change the map to. Well, I'm not even going to change the map. I should change the map though, shouldn't I? I should. That way I could just start up and be easy with it. So let's go. I made a prefix map. Not sure if that even going to work, but let's play. And this is not the right game type because I didn't change the world. Alrighty then. Now the moment of reckoning. After copying and pasting everything, this should work perfectly. Let me save this map so that way I don't have to change the world properties. So let us begin. Of course not. Of course you couldn't spawn a player. why why would you be able to spawn a player? That makes no sense. It's not like I copy and pasted everything. Uh Freaking A. I changed that just to make sure there's my map. But there is a player spawn player start there. Let's see what happens when I play from there. Fourth place from here. Yeah. Frack. I don't know what the hell I did wrong. In fact, I'm gonna do it all again right in front of you guys' eyes. So, let's see. I didn't change actor. In fact, let me close these because leaving these open is making me nervous. Close, close. Okay, so we have all these game types here. All these file types here. So let's start from the beginning, shall we? That's the all-in-one camera. This is the camera module. So I'm gonna copy you. I'm gonna copy the crap out of you. And there we go. Uh, why does that look remarkably different? Control module. Oh, that's a haha. That's because that's a control module. Looking for the camera module, sir. Trying to trick me. There we go. Just gonna do this one by one. Again, I'm falling behind on this project, but here's my new goal. Make a game every month until I make like a decent game. Cause you gotta start from somewhere, which is why I started doing this. And like I said from the beginning, this game is gonna be crap on wheels. like just uber crap. If it's even playable, which is really like that's my main goal. It's not even to make it good or to make it like talked about. It's to make it playable. Because if I can make a playable game, that'd be so awesome. That would be sweet. One thing, huh? Several engine classes need to be extended to be able to interface with the new camera and control system. Mainly, a new game type will be created. Ought make use of the new system. Okay, so here we go. Copy pasta. I don't even know I don't know what these ones are doing to be honest with you. But that was why I was copying them, and if they work, study them and figure out what's doing what to what. That being said, I need to figure out what some of these things mean, cause where is the one? What was a good example that I keep seeing? I know what super means. Super means to take a property from the previous class that this came from. What I don't get it. Wait, this is extending. What are you extending? You're extending. Okay, okay. So you're taking. Okay, I see what you're doing. All right, then never mind. But I still need to learn exactly. And I'm just kind of disappointed in myself that I haven't looked this up. But I need to know what delta means. I know it's a tick, and I know a tick is a frame. So delta is yeah, there we go. Delta is a way to tell time, but at the same time, it's frames per second reliant. So I'm not even sure how that works with some things. Because if you have an action that, you know, I don't, it's frames per second reliant. So it's like, how do you make something take, a certain amount of seconds as opposed to a certain amount of frames? So doing all this from scratch. Game info class. Mm-mm-mm. Oh shoot, no, don't do that. UDN game. Alright, example camera module. Top down you see. What was this called again? Top down. Alright, and I think I only have one more thing to change. Now, here's what's irking me. Um, in a few of these, I had to make something, add a config camera. So I was thinking that, hey, once I compiled, there we go, like this. I was thinking like once it compiled, it would automatically make a new ini file. But when I went to the place where all the ini files are kept, I found no such ini file. So that might be something I should be worried about. And I'll change the config files in a second. Just let me compile all this bull malarkey. That's the wrong window. There we go. You feel good about yourself? 8 warnings. Oh my goodness. That is impressive. Why weren't you there before? Why weren't you there before? No, no, don't give me that. Why weren't you there before? Alright, so let's look in default camera, shall we? Shall we? Sherry? Alright, so you're doing what you gotta do. And I respect you for it. Keeping it real, keeping me down. Let's look into default game engine. Yay! I added this line because I could not find this anywhere. Um, in fact, let me do a quick find. You know what? Why do I keep? Hold on. Because I don't like freaking regular notepad. Let me just change this real quick. More options, please. Holy crap! No. Why don't you have Notepad Plus up here? Ay, cabrón. Está no bien. ¿Por qué instala Notepad 2? Ooh, I'm looking at all the wrong stuff. I need to stay away from the porn folder. There you go. Alright, there we go. Alright, so now you guys can be used without me getting irked too much. Default game any. Wait, what about this one? I don't. I don't want to. Uh, I'm confused. Well, what if I? Let's see. Cause this is not the one they told me to go into. The one they told me to go into was default game, but I don't know what's the difference. I don't know if this would affect anything. That's my anime list of animes that I gotta look into. Because Adult Swim has been doing such a great job of showing some great anime movies. Not, I shouldn't even say Adult Swim. I should say Toonami. There are 8 matches. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Crap! I don't even know what to do anymore, sir. You have got me boned. Let us think for just a minute. Alright, so how about I, in the meantime, just comment out the rest of these. Section. Okay, so this was supposed to. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna change all this. You shut your whore mouth. Okay, can't I? I was. I think I could block comment, but I forget if I can in here or not. Okay, so enough with you, dirty whore. Now let's go back to context. See, well, how long have I been recording? 12 minutes and I've accomplished nothing? That's not unusual. Alright, so let's look at all these warnings real quick. Class property, engine, default pawn class, unresolved reference to class UDN examples, UDN pawn. UDN examples, UDN. Oh! Frack! I know what's going on. Okay, okay, hold on. Because this is not in UDN examples. I should have made a UDN examples folder. Frack on a stick with a brick. Um, where? Okay, should be. Let's go there. Let's go there. I wish we could go there. All right, so it's in UDN game, and it's on the fifth line. Okay, I see what's going on. So we gotta change this. Woo! I am an idiot, but I'm a pretty good idiot. Alright, so place UDN examples with awesome game. And I'm going to do that with all the files, baby. Uh-huh. Alright, and same with you suckers. You get out of here. You go home. Camera should not even be. I've got this. I see what happens, cause let me make sure I'm actually naming this right though. Cause it's all referring to awesome game. And all these yep. Okay, I should have just renamed him awesome. Keon, you're learning. That's called debugging, I think. I don't know. I just don't care anymore. Alright. Damn you, Notepad Plus. Why you feel so good? I'm confused. Where the hell is okay. Okay, here we go. Four occurrences were replaced. Oh. Alright, so we got that. So this should work now. That's the wrong button, Keon. Quit doing that. Don't worry, folks. Things just got interesting. If you stuck along here this long, zero warnings, zero errors, mother effer. Let's go. Who runs this? I am hungry and I'm probably going to be late for work. In fact, I'm probably not even going to eat breakfast. Traffic around here has been ridiculous. Why are you people still shopping? That's what I don't get. There's the internet. Use it. Speaking of which, I gotta buy my family presents. I am just a wreck right now. Everybody wants me to do favors for them, and it's just really holding me back. I've ignored them hardcore, but it's starting to get awkward. Okay, so everything should work. Oh, motherfucking yeah! This does nothing. What were you supposed to do? I guess you could say it works, but I don't want it to just work. I want it to, because it was supposed to be a top-down camera, if I am not mistaken. I don't even know what's going on anymore. And it was supposed to be, from what I read in one of these files, a camera that respects my mousey clicky. So I don't know what the hell is going on right now. Son, I am disappointed. Let's go back to that page. Okay, they're saying that a new UDK camera and a new UDK any should be, so. See, no, that's not happening. None of that is happening. It's because you don't know what it. Huh. What am I missing? Alright. Well, great news, folks. This video's gone on long enough, and I give up. I'll when I come home tonight, I actually got to do a chat with somebody. But after that, if I'm still awake, I will go through this and figure out what's wrong. And if I can't figure out what's wrong, I'm just gonna do a simple side-scrolling camera. Really, I'm not seeing any bad references. I'm not seeing anything. I mean, at least he's spawning now. So there's that. And I spelled awesome right. I spelled awesome very right. So I don't even know what your problem is. Not sure what I did to you. And the config files, I'm gonna say this before I leave. The config files aren't being created the way that they're supposed to be being created. I was led to believe that if you just put something in and it had a config file there, it would work. And nah, it's not working. It's not working at all. But thank you all for watching. I am losing patience with this. Till next time, though. Bye. But see, hold on. This is what it's supposed to be. Like zoom increment, blah blah blah, initialize, blah blah blah. Oh, you know what? Function zoom in, function zoom out. I didn't make those into keybinds. But either way, though, it's whatever. See y'all later, folks. Bye.